Alright, so I just finished my warm-ups. I did it a little different today. I actually added a mini ramp session. I used to skate mini ramp when I was little, I'm pretty sure. So when I skated it today, it definitely felt like I was knocking some rust off from somewhere. But we're gonna get that way better. I've been working on that. But I came here for the round rail today, trying to loose trucks out still. But hopefully the loose trucks help with the 50/50s on the round rail. Over here it's nice and low. I didn't test it out at the last part because it was just nothing to really test it out on. Everything was just full send. But we are about to skate this right now. I am going to wax it up, of course. You know that. Actually, I'm going to try it before I even wax it up. That's how you die. You don't want to die when you're trying to skateboard. So we're going to do that. I'm waxing it. Yeah.
Do you mind if I take a picture of you, man? You good? I'll give them back. Nah, they're not feeling good right now.
I forgot to do an outro to the skate video today, but we're gonna just end it here on the food. I'm gonna show y'all what I got under here. If you skate Sawmill and y'all don't come hit the food truck down the street, I don't know what y'all doing, but yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I didn't talk too much, but so here's the food. Also, let me know how y'all like the loose trucks. I think I'm getting used to the loose trucks on my skateboard. I think it feels way better. Helps me not tic-tac. I don't know what it is, but everything just feels more fluent and I trust myself just a little bit more. But when I get used to them, I'll be way better. But let me give y'all a review of the food real quick. I'm telling y'all it's bussin'. Got the seafood salad, got the mac and cheese. I usually don't get 2 macaronis, but when I go here, I gotta get the seafood salad, and I love mac, so can't go wrong with that. And then I got the big old chicken wings right here. I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't go to Sawmill food truck, y'all are tripping. But hope y'all like the video.